Sawadee Krap. Today is Wednesday, November 24th. I'm JP Mestanza, and welcome to Phuket Extra, brought to you by pvcphuket.com. Over 21,000 bottles of cough medicine and other materials were seized in a raid at an illegal cough medicine factory in northern Phuket town. The raid took place on November 17 at an address in Soi Lak Kongsi in Rasada as part of an investigation into cough medicine used by suspects caught in Nakhon Tamarat and Phuket with the drug cocktail 4x100. Police and FDA officials conducted the raid and found 21,250 bottles labeled Diphenyl expectorant syrup, along with raw materials for production. One suspect was arrested and confessed, according to police. He's now facing charges for manufacturing and selling counterfeit drugs. For more, visit thephuket.news.com. An outbreak at a Sea Gypsy community in Surin National Park in Phang Nga Province, just north of Phuket, has prompted officials to place the island that they were on under lockdown to halt the spread of COVID-19. The Moken Sea Gypsy community at Bon Bay in the Muko Surin National Park were placed under bubble and seal lockdown for 2 weeks by the governor of Phang Nga Province on Monday. The Muko Surin National Park is home to 5 islands in the Surin Islands archipelago, which are all popular day trip sites for tourists here in Phuket. While the order remains in effect, no people are allowed to enter or leave the area unless there is a necessity, such as to see a doctor for medical treatment. Each day of this week, Phuket has set a new daily high of COVID cases for the month, from 84 on Sunday, 87 on Monday, and now 107 total new COVID cases for Tuesday, the most so far during November. This month, Phuket has seen 1,448 total COVID cases, a daily average of 63 for the island, and a death toll of 16, all of which were still much lower than the totals for last month. This is the first time Phuket has reached over 100 COVID cases this month. Quality guaranteed since 2012. Call M Painting today. Sontia Sawadi, a former member of the ruling Palang Prachara party, he's seeking police action to be taken against Miss Universe Thailand, accusing her of desecrating the Thai flag in a photo that's being circulated online. In the photo, Miss Universe Thailand Anchali Scott Chemist can be seen posing with a Thai flag in front of an artist's rendering of another Thai flag. It was featured on the pageant organizer's website and released as part of the promotional campaign for Miss Anchali before she competes in the 70th annual Miss Universe pageant in Israel on December 12th. But now, a former advisor to the House Committee on Law, Justice and Human Rights, Sontia Sawadi, is accusing Anchali of breaching the 1979 Flag Act and the Prime Minister's office announcement banning the use of national flags for commercial purposes. Reports say that offenses against the national flag carry a maximum jail term of up to 2 years and a fine of up to 40,000 baht. However, academics do not think Anchali would be held criminally accountable, as she does not appear to have any ill intentions, according to the Bangkok Post. Let us know your thoughts on the comment section below. 30 million more doses of the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine were approved for purchase by the cabinet in Bangkok, all the while the public health minister is urging people to wait for Pfizer deliveries. The agreement would cover the delivery of a new generation of the vaccine, also intended to be suitable for children, if the company finished its development in time, according to a government spokesman. The newly amended agreement saw Thailand order a total of 60 million doses of the Pfizer vaccine, expected to arrive between the first and third quarters of 2022. The announcement comes as the Deputy Prime Minister and Public Health Minister, Anutin urged those who are still waiting for a Moderna COVID vaccine to give up and instead register for the Pfizer COVID vaccine that is being offered under the government's vaccination program. His advice came as he asked all provincial health offices and regional offices of the Department of Disease Control to try and get all of those who remained unvaccinated in Thailand against COVID-19 in their area vaccinated within 2 weeks from now, according to the Bangkok Post. As of yesterday, more than 90 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines had been administered under the government's inoculation campaign, which is close to their target of administering 100 million doses by the end of this month. Thanks for joining us here on this Wednesday edition Phuket Extra, brought to you by pvcphuket.com. Join us again tomorrow on Thursday. Until then, stay classy, Phuket.
Phuket's rapid modernization has made it one of the world's premier holiday destinations. Investors can still buy quality condominiums for as low as $75,000 and luxury properties can go all the way up to 20 million. Condominiums in Phuket are a safe, secure bricks and mortar investment offering foreigners freehold ownership. Call or email Thai Residential, Phuket's #1 trusted real estate advisor, to find your perfect Phuket property.